So Brandon is a little gas pedal happy. So we've got to, you know, monitor him and make sure he's okay. Your exit is coming up. Yes, his timing is pretty good. I like to see my drivers have great timing, have an uplinker early. Brandon did pretty good in the cloverleaf. He was a little fast going 60, but he should have went 40. So we got to be careful. You're going to make a right. I appreciate you. And then, of course, he's got to do his traffic checks. Nice job, brother. I like this area because you come off the freeway and the speed limit drops down to what?
35.
Yes, man, that's good, that's good. Checking that speed limit. This area is also really curvy, so obviously you're at 35. They're from Georgia on my mind, so they're flying pretty fast there. But we're not trying to, they might need to be in my class too because they're going a little fast. So these are Chevron alignment signs. They alert drivers that this is a really sharp curve to the left. So he's doing pretty good. He's got both hands on the wheel. He's a little bit fast. Ooh, I thought that guy was out on the street. Wow, man. Gotta be careful with pedestrians. This is a teachable moment. So you're gonna be heading toward our downtown area. We're gonna be doing some parking maneuvers, four-way stops, angle parking, stall parking, reverse parallel parking. It's gonna be a great situation for you. So I'm looking forward because I saw the letter from the state of Michigan and you need some work in those maneuvers. So we're gonna help you. What color's their car to the right?
Gray.
Good, they just pulled out, they did not stop. So be careful of drivers. This area is a more advanced area, very confusing. So what I need you to do is get all the way over to the left once you get a chance. Good, he's doing his traffic checks. Get all the way over to the left. Thank you. Okay, brother. What I'd like you to do is make a left turn at this light. So I want to see if Brandon is going to turn correctly. Is he going to have, ooh, I like that steering. Nice job. Good. You'll be a little bit nervous in the beginning, but as time goes on, you're doing great. Take your time.
Yeah, I just tend to have that lead foot.
Yeah, you're a little fast there. That chime tells me the truth. What I'd like you to do is make a right turn in this driveway right here. Yes. And pick a parking spot on the left. And I want to see you get in the lines. Oh, that's a nice job. Okay, I'd like you to reverse, please. Even though this car has a backup camera, you can't use it. Good, he's looking around using his head. That is great, great job. Good. Okay, what I'd like you to do is go up and you're gonna make a right turn. Good. Nice job. Okay, I need you to make another right turn here, please. Oop, got a little curbage. That is a minus. Stay off the curbs, young man. Mm-hmm.
Also a little bit of a curb kisser.
Oh, okay, well, we want to watch those kisses. We don't want kisses like that. Okay, what I want you to do after you stop, I would like you to make a right turn, please, and thank you. Good. And I want you to make a left turn at the light. Good. I want you to pick a spot here on the right. This is angle parking. Squeeze that brake. Thank you. Good. Let me check. I do look. Thank you. Okay, you're in. You're a little bit on the right side, but that's okay. When it's clear, I want you to reverse back and back us out. Always look around. I notice young Brandon has his arms all locked up.